Let's talk about sex, baby. Specifically, let's talk about the climax of this beautiful act, the elusive female orgasm. It's a topic shrouded in mystery, often whispered about in hushed tones or exaggerated in mainstream media. But behind the myths and misconceptions lies a world of pleasure waiting to be explored. An orgasm is a powerful physiological experience. It's a surge of intense pleasure accompanied by muscle contractions in the pelvic region. Think of it as a wave that starts building, crescendos into a beautiful peak, and then gently recedes, leaving you feeling relaxed and satisfied. While both men and women experience orgasms, studies show a significant disparity in orgasm rates during heterosexual encounters. Men consistently report reaching orgasm more frequently than women. This difference isn't about desire or enjoyment. It's about a complex interplay of biology, psychology, and societal expectations. Understanding this discrepancy is the first step toward bridging the pleasure gap and ensuring that everyone, regardless of gender, has the knowledge and tools to experience fulfilling sexual encounters. It's time to ditch the shame, embrace the conversation, and unlock the secrets to a truly satisfying sex life for everyone involved.
The female anatomy is a wonderland of erogenous zones, each with the potential to ignite pleasure. While the clitoris reigns supreme as the primary source of orgasmic sensation, the journey to climax isn't always a straight line. Some women experience what's called a blended orgasm, a glorious fusion of clitoral and vaginal stimulation. This can involve stimulating the elusive G-spot, an area located on the front wall of the vagina, which, when stimulated, can trigger intense pleasure and even ejaculation in some women. External stimulation, primarily focused on the clitoris, is often the most direct route to orgasm for many women. However, internal stimulation through penetration or sex toys can also be incredibly pleasurable and contribute to a more holistic orgasmic experience. Exploring different types of touch, both internal and external, can unlock a world of sensations and help you discover what feels best for your body. Communication with your partner is key. Tell them what feels good, what doesn't, and encourage them to do the same. Remember, pleasure is a two-way street.
Let's have a little heart-to-heart, gentlemen. We know you're trying, but sometimes there's a disconnect between what you think we want and what actually gets us going. First things first, orgasms aren't a guaranteed outcome of every sexual encounter. Sometimes it's about the journey, not the destination. Foreplay is crucial, and no, that doesn't mean a quick 5 minutes before penetration. Think long, languid kisses, sensual touch all over the body, and words of affirmation that make us feel desired and cherished. Secondly, every woman's body is different. What works for one might not work for another. Instead of relying on outdated techniques, ask questions, pay attention to our responses, and be open to trying new things. Finally, and most importantly, understand that our worthiness as sexual partners isn't tied to our ability to orgasm. We are not broken or deficient if we don't climax every time. Your patience, understanding, and willingness to prioritize our pleasure speak volumes about the kind of lover you are.
Ladies, if you've ever felt inadequate or frustrated by your sex life, it's time to release that burden of shame. The truth is, the orgasm gap isn't about you. It's about a system that often prioritizes male pleasure over female pleasure. From a young age, women are bombarded with messages that equate sex with shame and silence. We're taught to be desirable but not demanding, receptive but not assertive. This societal conditioning can make it difficult to embrace our sexuality fully and communicate our needs to our partners. Furthermore, factors like stress, medication, hormonal fluctuations, body image issues, past trauma, and even misinformation from pornographic depictions of sex can all impact our ability to experience orgasms. It's time to rewrite the narrative. Let's create a world where women feel empowered to explore their sexuality, communicate their desires, and experience the full spectrum of pleasure they deserve. Remember, your body is not the problem. It's the system we need to change.